Here's a quick, here's a turn signal switch. It may not look exactly like yours, but kind of similar. But here's what the end should look something like. And it plugs into a big connector right here. And you have a screw right in the center. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's like a 7mm head screw right there in the center. And you unscrew it, and then you can, these little things pop off. You put a screwdriver, these little things come right off. And you can see numbers. If you look closely, you can see the numbers on there. You're looking for 11, 12, and 13 right there. And you can see, I don't know if you can video camera will catch it, but there's little, like there's a, you can see where it says B, C, D right on there. So that would be E that I just took off. And you can either test the switch itself. You just set your own meter. And it should, when you touch them together, it should zero out. And then you let's see here. Put it on there, and you flip your switch, and that means that side's working. But this one here, the other, I do it this way and it doesn't. The switch is bad here. But if you want to test it on the car, while it's in there, this will be up underneath the dash. You'll see this back side. You'll set your thing to DC volts. You put your red lead on the battery positive thing. Then you can back probe. You back probe it, kind of like this. You just push it in there till that touches the metal piece, and you should get battery voltage there. And you do it for each one of those three. You do it for all three, and you have to flip your switch, and you should get it should switch to ground.